Aaron asks, you mentioned how great you are at closing in sales. What's your structure for your pitches?
For my pitches. So my structure for my pitches is complete and utter no structure. I don't really structure my pitches a whole lot. My team may, in certain scenarios, have a deck, but there's, I'm sure, an inside joke in this company that when we go into that meeting, I'm gonna completely side rail and drive over that deck, which I do consistently. For me, I'm much more interested in reading the room and deploying what that client wants at that exact moment versus what we thought they wanted. In the same way I sold at baseball card shows, like I would just always react. I really think that my pitches are structured for counterpunching, which means no preparation from presentation form, but complete and utter presentation for knowing the content. See what I mean? This is the thing that most people don't understand. They think that you wing it. No, you're winging the way you're gonna present it. You're not winging what you actually know about it. So the way I prepare is holistically prepare, AKA know my shit. I know what I'm talking about in the things that I'm selling, and then basically I'm reverse engineering, deploying your needs against that expertise at that moment versus what order the deck needs to be for the presentation. My friends, the deck doesn't sell it. The presentation doesn't sell it. The skills sell it.